Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. Ay, pockets fatter.
Yo, bro, I promise you, I've tried recording this video like 4 times, and then something always happens, bro. My computer fell asleep. My phone just stopped screen recording. I don't know if I'm out of space or something. But anyway, the video's still about to be fire. Yo.
Hello.
Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
You're actually pretty cute, so like...
Hold on, add time. I bet.
Maybe 8, I don't know.
Alright, can you show your face? I'll rate you too.
I'm ugly.
But maybe you're not. Hey.
But maybe I am. What are you on?
Hey, this might be a YouTube video. It might be. You might show your face. You might become famous, bro. You never know. She did it hella quick. Alright, bet. Yeah, she wasn't wrong about that. Yeah, she ugly.
So ugly.
Alright, yo. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
No. 47. So
Hey. Add time. Yo, we need a real rating, bro. Do it for the culture.
Huh?
Can we get a real rate?
Yes. 47.
Alright, what about the other girl?
I don't know.
I don't know what that means, but we'll take that as a 10. Right on. Looking at Alright, yo. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
You're a 9.5.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. We like that. Alright. Ooh. See, bro, this is what I don't like about this app, bro. I put it on dudes only, and girls keep popping up, but... wait, no, dudes keep popping up. Alright, but... Alright, yo, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Are you doing this like a video or something personal to your friends or something?
Add time.
Guys,
It's a YouTube video, bro. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
are we being honest?
Yeah. Let it all out.
Like a 6.
Alright, fine then. That didn't hurt at all.
Wait.
Honestly,
Rate him.
my feelings aren't hurt. Honestly.
Me too. I don't have feelings. 7.5.
Honestly, we will
You
take
look really
that.
young, is why.
I'm 16, bro. Put some respect on my name. Hold on, show your friends so I can get in the video, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
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 He's doing a YouTube video.
Yeah. I love telling people that I'm doing a YouTube video, bro, because they actually think that I'm like, that I have like views or something, that I'm actually a thing on YouTube, but nah. We got 23 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? No big deal. Hey, yo. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Who?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Oh, you look like me. Like 7.
A 7?
I'm sorry, you kind of look. That's why I said that. Like, you kind of look like a kid.
I'm older than you. Put some respect on my name. Huh? What?
You don't know.
I'm 16.
And I'm 16. I'm gonna be 17, so get on.
Damn. Oh, yeah, I really thought I was smart or something for a second. But it's whatever. We'll take it. Bro, dudes keep popping up, bro. Look at this, bro. I don't want you, Daniel. Get off my stuff, cousin. Yeah, no profanity allowed. Hey, yo. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
0.
I bet. Damn. I no longer like Canada.
I was joking.
At time. Oh, we tried to add time. She said she was joking. I don't like Canada anymore. But it's whatever, bro. Since she tried to add time, it was obviously a 10. Obviously. Hey, yo. Ooh. Ooh, I bet. Can you add time real quick? Alright, yo, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
We'll take that. We'll take that. Thank you. That was hella awkward. But we'll take it. Alright.
Hi.
Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
You were 10 to be honest. Yes, sir.
We like that. That's 2 10s. Get off me. Never call me ugly again. Know when you was a dude and when you was a girl. But can the girl rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
You were 5.
Oh, she said I'm a 50. Looking at nah, but it's whatever. Damn. You disrespect me, say a 5. It's whatever. You lucky I don't know how to cancel this call.
What do you think about her? From 1 to 10, what do you think about her?
I can only see like half of her forehead, so I wouldn't know. But like, it's whatever.
I'm gonna beat this little bitch's ass.
What do you think? What do you think?
I'll give her like a
I'm
0.5.
gonna
Looking
go
at.
to your house, bro.
Nah, bro. How do you end this call, bro? Look at this.
You ugly as fuck, bros.
I feel disrespected, but it's whatever. Ayo,
Huh?
can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
Right on. We like that. Yeah.
What time?
She said at time. Nah.
Hi, Marvin.
What? Oh, never mind. My name's on here.
Hi.
That's crazy. All right, can you add time?
Hi. Oh, you did.
All right. Can both of you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
There's 3 of us here.
All right, all of you. Can all of you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
7. Said 7.
All of you say 7?
Yeah.
Damn. Life is tough. Life is tough.
What's over there?
Don't worry about it.
Showing us to. Are you showing us to people?
Don't worry about it.
Stay right here with Zipper.
Right on, bro.
I give you a 9.
Hey, we will take that. She tried to disrespect me. Her friend stepped up, bro. Hashtag stop bullying. Looking at this. Damn. Alright, we need to get a couple more. I don't know how long this video is. Nah, get off of here, bro. Y'all at the freaking, y'all at recess right now, bro. Don't disrespect me, cuz. They trying to disrespect my hood. Looking at she really got stuffy. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Like a 6. Yeah. I didn't say that.
That's disrespectful. Cause y'all really ugly. Yo, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? What?
Como unos 7, wey.
That means 7. Yeah. They thought I didn't speak Spanish. Cause I don't. But that. Can you add time?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. A Canadian disrespecting me earlier. So I have faith in you, bro. I don't like Canadians right now, but you gotta bring it back into it. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
I like Canada. You heard it there first. Hey, yo. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
We're here on the scale of 1 to 10?
Ooh, 8 and a 10. That averages out to a 9. And according to the Pythagorean theorem, 9 squared plus 9 squared equals 582.
I got a question though. Have you ever been on Monkey, right? With somebody and it just looked like they house dirty?
Yay! She really thought I had time for that. That's crazy. You gonna answer or not, bro?
No, what she said?
Can you please hang up? She's only 13. Hang up. She's
Hey, yo.
I'm fucking talking. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, for real, bro. Yeah.
No, I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
my aunt wanted me to take pictures of the wall.
Yeah. Alright, can y'all rate me on a scale? Wait, nah, not the dude. But the girl. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
A fucking 0, like 5.
She said 0 with a 1 in front of it, bro. That's a 10. Let's go.
No, Craig.
Bro, why is she lying on my name, bro? Why is she lying on my name, bro? I'm literally an Instagram model.
I don't even know your name.
I'm the male Summer Rae.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, bro. Don't disrespect me, bro. 0 is not even between 1 and 10.
What the fuck are you talking about?
You gotta at least say
Why?
1. It's not 0 to 10, it's 1 to
Don't
10.
accept the motherfucking call next time that you see us. Like, doses.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Chicken butt! I'm on your dumb. No, I'm just like, nah, bro.
But you look like a bitch.
But I shut your ass up, shut your ass up, yeah, shut your ass up. I'm fucking tired of people like this, bro. Disrespecting me, bro. Australia? We got Australian biddies, bro? Alright, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah, 10.
Yo, you heard it here first. I'm a 10. Forget that other girl. I'm on to bigger and better things. Even though she was uglier. Hey, yo. Can you add time real quick? Alright, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
9. You're 9.
I like that. Show your face. Come on, son. Self-confidence. Hey, yeet. Yeet. Alright, can both of y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? What's funny?
You look like a kid.
I'm 16, so like,
You look like a kid.
put some respect on my name. I'm 16, bro. I'm taller than both of y'all. Stronger than...
How tall? How tall?
I'm 5'10".
Oh yeah, you taller than me.
Alright,
All the way.
can y'all rate me?
Okay. Let me see. You look.
Look at her.
Can both y'all rate me, bro? We don't got that much time left, bro. We got 30 seconds.
A 7.
Bro, alright, bro. Yeah, bro. You lucky I don't know how to end this call, bro. They really just disrespected me like that, bro. Hey, yo, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
10. Okay.
Yeah.
So now rate her from scale of 1 to 10. Add time. What you doing? You doing?
Yeah.
What you? Add time.
Yeah. We got foreign biddies, United Kingdom biddies. What's up? Yeah.
Hi.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.5.
8.5. Ha! Get her stupid ass. Yo, can you show your face?
Hi.
Add time real quick though. Alright, show your face, bro. We live. You know what it is.
Oh my.
Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.5.
We'll take that. Get off me. Don't ever call me ugly. You're ugly, but alright. Alright, can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Let's see. 8.
Alright, bet. We'll take that. C's hit. Alright, bet. Yo, I like Fortnite is low-key on that calm down grind. So we had to switch up the video styles and my phone just fell on the floor, but you know what I'm saying. That's what's gonna wrap up the video, the good old outro. Yeet!